a quererte cada día más, chiquitita.
Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today Chava's going to be showing you how to make this beautiful mermaid inspired cake.
Beautiful, look at that.
If you'd like to learn how to make this cake, please keep on watching.
Watch this shit, man.
Okay guys, so Chava's going to begin by kneading his fondant, and he's showing you his gloves since everybody complained in the last video that he doesn't wear gloves. So he's going to knead his fondant so he can begin making his mermaid scales.
I hate these gloves.
Well, okay Chava. So he's going to roll the fondant, and he is going to be using a small circle cutout to make his scales. He's going to need to cut a lot of these out as it's going to go around a 10-inch cake. This is going to take a lot of time. With the same cutout, he's going to go ahead and make more scales. This will be with a lighter color. As you could tell in the first clip, it was a darker blue, and this is like a light blue. So it's going to be like a two-color effect. Okay, so here he's using his brush to kind of wet the fondant so he's able to go ahead and stick his scales on. And the first row, he's just going to go ahead and evenly put them around the cake. And as you can see here, for the second row, he basically goes ahead and puts one of the little circle scales in between two of them, of the bottom ones. And then as the rows go on, he alternates. Once again, this next row, you go ahead and put it in the middle of two, and you keep on going. This is going to take a very long time, so get prepared to have a lot of patience and take your time with it. Since this is a 10-inch, it required a lot of scales, so just go ahead and enjoy the next couple clips of him putting the scales on. Okay, so once you get to the top, you can either go ahead and bend it over the cake, kind of like Chava is doing here in the video, or you can cut the circle in half and just basically leave the top straight. Now look at how beautiful that looks. Like, it's definitely worth the time that it takes. It's so cute. Here, Chava's getting his fondant ready so that he can make his details. He is using a silicone mold so that he can get his starfish and seashells. And make sure you do use a good amount of cornstarch in the mold so that way you can prevent the fondant from getting stuck in there and it's easier for you to take it out. So using his pizza cutter, he did make some like triangle strips, and this is going to allow him to create the effect of seaweed on the cake. And using his plaque cutout, he's going to go ahead and cut out the white plaque so he can add the name. But he goes ahead and adds like another layer of fondant at the bottom and cuts it out with his X-Acto knife to make it look more fancy, and this technique just makes it stand out more. Now for this part, you guys have seen him stack probably like a million cakes, so just keep in mind he uses the Wilton brand rods, which are the best. And now for my favorite part, he's gonna go ahead and put everything together, and it's gonna look so cute because he's just so good at making cakes.
Alright guys, so that's the finished product. How was it, babe?
It was nice, dude. It was a little time consuming, but it was doable.
Yeah, you guys, so definitely we hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to give us a thumbs up.
Alright, and it's just as a ruffles. I mean, you gotta be patient to do this. If not, don't even make it.
Damn. And like we mentioned in the Ruffles video, this will cost them a little bit more money.
Definitely.
So make sure you charge for your time.
So, a toda la gente en español, como lo estaba diciendo, se tomó mucho tiempo, so hay que cobrar un poquito más por estos.
And there will be a pricing video coming soon, so keep a lookout for that. Va a haber un video sobre precios y cómo cobrar, so por favor sigan pendiente y hagan subscribe para que no pierdan ninguna notificación. Make sure you subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell so you do not miss none of our videos.
Definitely.
And thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.
Peace.